Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 9 from paper October 2023 Edexcel IL Pure Mathematics P1. Figure 3 shows the plan view of the area being used for a ball throwing competition. Competitors must stand within the circle C and throw a ball as far as possible into the target area PQRS. So PQRS is the target area shown shaded in figure 3. Given that circle C has center O, P and S are points on C, OPQRS, O is a sector, OPQRS, okay, the whole thing. The length of arc PS is 0.72 meter. The length of arc PS is 0.72 meter. Okay, first check where is the length of arc PS. So this is the length of arc PS, and this is 0.72 meters, right? Length of arc means arc is the formula because it is in radians. Yeah, it is in radians. So our formula for arc length in radians is L equals to R theta. So here L is 0.72. Okay, let's move on. What's next? The size of angle POS. So this is the angle, and this angle is 0.6. So this angle is 0.6. Show that OP is 1.2. So OP is, this is OP, is 1.2 meter. Okay. So what I don't, this is radius of sector OPOS, or right? I do not have a radius. I can find the radius by using the arc length. So let's get started. All right. So A is, show that OP is 1.2. So let's start with the arc length. Arc length L equals to R theta in radians. L is 0.72. R I don't know. Theta is 0.6. So 0.72 divided by 0.6 is radius in radians, and that is 1.2. So radius here is 1.2. In the B part, it says that given also that the target area PQRS is 90 meters squared. So the area is given here, PQRS. So this, the shaded area basically, PQRS. So this is 90. Okay. Length PQ is X. So this is X. What else? This is done. This is done. Show that, okay, I have to form an equation here, right? Okay, let's get started with B. So target area PQRS is 90. So let's find out the area of the shaded region only, because this 90 is PQRS is the only shaded region. So if I find the area of POS, this area, and if I find the full area, right, full area, OPQRSO, full area, so I can subtract both to get the area of PQRS. Yeah, in this way it will work. Let's get started. So area in radians, area of a sector in radians is 1/2 r squared theta. So 1/2 r squared, we just got r 1.2. For this is for, this area is for POS, into theta is 0.6. Okay, and that is 1.2 whole squared times 0.6 divided by 2 is 0.432 in radians. Okay, if I find the area of a sector of OPQRSO, right, the full complete sector, So that is 1 over 2 r squared theta, and r is this full length. This full length is r. So this full length is r. So OP is 1.2, is the radius of a small sector, plus x is PQ, times theta, this is square on top because it's area. Theta for this angle, for this sector is 0.6. This is the angle, 0.6. Okay. It's time to solve algebraically. So 1.2 squared is 1.44. 2 into 1.2 is 2.4x times 0.6. Okay, 0.6 divided by 2. I simplify or times and then divide. It's the same thing. I always simplify because I prefer always simplify first because it makes easy for us. So 0.6 divided by 2 is 0.3, and now I'm going to times 0.3 with 1.44 plus x squared plus 2.4x. Okay, so let's multiply it. No need to write again. Okay, 1.44 times 0.3, 0.432 plus 0.3x squared plus 2.4x, 0.4x, 0.4 times 0.3 is 0.72x. 2.4 times 0.3 is 0.7. Yes. Okay. This is the area for OPQRSO. To get the shaded area, what I do, I will subtract the big sector. I will subtract the small sector from the big sector. So the big sector is 0.432 plus 0.3x squared plus 0.72x minus 0.432, and this area is given in a question, and that is equals to 90 meters squared. So 0.432 and minus 0.432 get cancelled, and what is left is 0.3x squared plus 0.72x equals to 90. So if I move it here, move it to the 90 to the other side, so this will be negative and it is equals to 0. So let's solve 0.3. So 0.3, if I can write it as 3 over 10, 72 over 100 and minus 90. Take its LCM, make equivalent fraction. So times by 100. So this is times by 10 to make equivalent fraction. So this is 30. This is 72x minus 90 multiplied by 100 is 9000 equals to 0. Highest common factor here is 6. Okay, if I take the highest common factor, so 6 is the highest common factor. 6 times 5 is 30. 72 divided by 6 is 12. And 9000 divided by 6 is 1500. Factorize it. Okay. So factors, you can use quadratic formula, or factorization, just use the calculator. I got two factors for x. One is minus 18.5620. I just use the calculator. And another one is 16.1620. So because this is negative and length cannot be negative, so what I will reject it, and I will take the value of x 16.1620. Okay, so 5x squared plus 12x minus 1500, this is done. This is done here. And then in the next part, hence calculate the total perimeter of the target area PQRS. So perimeter for the target area PQRS. So basically, let's highlight it. I need PQ and QR and RS, and which is this part. This one here, and PS here. This. Okay, so because this is X and this one is this is PS, this side is given in a question, and that is equals to 0.72. Let's label it again. And SR is same. This is X, and we just got X 16.2. QR, we can find it. Okay, let's start, because I have to find the perimeter. Yeah, I have to find the perimeter. Let's start solving it now. So in the C part, perimeter is basically add up all sides. So the first one is 0.72. This is done. Then X is 16.1620, or just round up to 16.2. Let's round up to 16.2 because both are same. So this X and this X is same. So I will add one more time, 16.2 plus the arc length QR. Okay, QR, the arc length, because QR is the arc length. So arc length I can find it by, let's find the arc length QR. L equals to R theta. So R here is, I just got R for the full length, which is 1.2 plus X. So R is 1.2 plus 16.2. Theta is 0.6. So use a calculator. 1.2 plus 16.2 is 17.4 times 0.6, and that is 10.44. So 10.44 is the arc length of QR. I'm going to erase here QR, and I'm going to write down the arc length, which is 10.44. So 10.44 plus 16.2 plus 16.2 again plus 0.72 is 43.56. So the perimeter here is 43.56. This is the perimeter, and I just want to check how many decimal places. It says giving your answer to the nearest meter. Okay, to the nearest meter. So let's round up. So 43.56 is, this is 43.56. This is the perimeter, and let's round up to 44. That's it for question number 9 from paper October 2023. I hope you found the solution helpful. If you have any question or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AYS Math channel for more exam tips and math tutorials. You can find this video. You can find the other videos for the remaining questions from this paper in the playlist. Thank you.